Hi guys, so today, I'm gonna be playing a game called Speed Race, and I'm already dead. Okay, let's try that again. Um, wee, wee. And, so far, I have two of my friends in the game, and I think we're awaiting another, so... Travel the World is, my friend Rosie Angel Princess. And then next to me is my friend, Ivy. End zone! Perfect! Oh yeah, I'm spectating. I feel bad for you, Rosie. You were stuck. Oh, you got first. Ooh, Ivy, you got first. And guys, I'm calling with, I'm calling with my group of friends right now. Ivy, good job on getting first place. Same, yeah. I've played this before too. I just haven't played it in a while. Start new subscription. Ooh! 3 extra lives. Hard mode. Finish without dying. Okay. Oh, I went the wrong way. 3. If I finish this without dying, then I get an extra thing. No! And there aren't checkpoints. There are not checkpoints, Rosie. You don't need to get first place. First place isn't what matters. What matters is that you have fun. And I'm in last. I'm in last. Again. I almost beat you guys. You guys would have just fallen at that one spot. That would have made it so much easier. What is it, Rosie? Froggo. Of course. What? We're Froggos! Yes, with the Froggo stuff. You don't have to do Frog... Oh, I'm amazing at this map! I love this map. I love this map. This one's really easy. You just have to jump from building to building. Whee! Down. Checkpoint. I don't care. Yes! First! Oh, okay. That was very stressful. Yeah, neither of you... DNF means did not finish. Yeah, let me just add... Daisy, what's his user? Balloons 1000. There, add. I can't add them to the thing. So, Honeycomb. It's called Honeycomb. I haven't sent it yet because we're in the middle of a round. Ah! No! Thank God I got that checkpoint. Wee! Yes! Okay, I sent the request. Oh, I have max friends. I have to unfriend someone. I don't even know who this person is, so I just unfriending them. I don't want to spectate. I'm saving up 500 token. I'm gonna save. Ooh, you can choose the map for 20 Robux. That's kind of not worth it. Double XP, VIP. Oh, oof, Daisy didn't finish. I mean, Who's Daisy? Okay, sadly Rosie did not finish. Hey, hi balloons. Hi balloons. Okay, we got balloons in here. Oh, guys, we can vote for a map. Orion Disaster. The Orion Disaster. I'm doing Tropical Islands. Looks like we're doing Tropical Islands, people. This one's super easy. Okay, do not try and go to the right. It's a waste of time to try and go to the right because it's really hard to get there. I used to be horrible at this game too. Checkpoint! Nice. I have 2 hearts. Oof. It needs to turn green for it to count. The checkpoint needs to turn green for you to know that you actually got the checkpoint. Okay, I almost missed that. Woo! End zone! Oof. None of you finished. That's just sad. Guys, we gotta go vote for the map. Come on. Vote for the map. Ooh, Mystical. I've never played Mystical Gorge or Crystal Mine. Ravine is really hard. Vote times 2. Fine, we can play Arcade Island. See, it's only got 1 tick of difficulty, which means it's pretty easy. Go. Y'all are rushing it. No, I'm talking to Rosie and Balloons. See, y'all can't rush it. Wait, 22 seconds? That shows how easy this map is. I literally finished it in 22 seconds. Oop. You missed the end zone, Dave. You missed the end zone, Rosie. No, you can't just fall down there. You need to, actually go through the portal. No, you're supposed to go into the portal. Okay, guys, let's go vote for the map. Hurry! Winter Cove's amazing. Ooh, Autumnwood. Acid Realm. Acid Realm sounds awesome. Yes, it's Acid Realm! Oh yeah, this is awesome. Go. Oop. I forgot to jump. No, it isn't. It is not hard to see, and we are not slow. No, we are not. We are not slow. This is the normal speed. We're actually extremely fast compared to the normal walk speed. Anyway, I just got put out of the race because I was lagging. Like, it may not look like I was lagging in the video, but, like, I was lagging quite a bit, even if it didn't look like I was. I don't like how I made everything green. Acid Realm is too hard. Let's do the laser tag map next. Guys, look for balloons, Rosie. Balloons, Rosie, everyone. Vote laser tag. I've played it before. It's like the first map I've ever played, and it was super easy. Balloons. Balloons. Vote laser tag, please. It's the easiest map that I've ever played. Now you aren't. None of us finished. I was the first one to not finish. I was the first one to get all the way out of the race. Okay, looks like we're doing laser tag. You're welcome. I vote. I did another vote for 30 stuff because it's really cheap. You can set yourself to AFK. That's awesome. That's awesome. Like, you can set yourself off and on from AFK. Ah, see, it's got 1 tick of difficulty, which means it's really easy. Stop saying froggo or frogs. I feel like I'm going the wrong way, but I don't even friggin' care. Yeah, I saw. Wait, no, I'm not. Hello! Shortcut! I got a shortcut! I just didn't realize I was on a shortcut. See, I got second because of my shortcut. If it weren't for my shortcut, I would have gotten last. I told you I was going the right way. Next time we do the laser tag map. Ooh, Enchanted Forest. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. You don't have to change anything, the world can change its heart. Ow. Ow. It didn't let me jump far enough. I got a green rabbit. I found a green rabbit. I found 2 green rabbits. They don't do anything. I just wasted time on the stupid green rabbits because they don't do anything. End zone! Ooh! Yay, I got 3rd. Ooh, honeycomb run, yes! Yes, honeycomb run. Wait, Fuyu Village? How do you say that? I don't know. Twilight Lagoon and this village thing look awesome. I think we should do Twilight Lagoon. And let's do the village first because Twilight Lagoon will probably end up popping up later. Looks like we're doing Fuyu? See, it's got 1 tick of difficulty, which means it's pretty easy. Where do we go? I do not know. So